Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp allows user to automatically share status update to Facebook story by linking their account. This feature simplifies the process, eliminating the need for manual posting on both platforms. Status updates from WhatsApp can appear as a Facebook stories. To direct sharing to Instagram stories is not supported yet. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, you can just open your WhatsApp. Now you can go to updates or status. Tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on status privacy and you'll find in here there is an option Facebook. You can enable this toggle by always share Facebook to story. For linking your Facebook account to WhatsApp, I've made the video. You can watch it on my previous video. Now you can create a status. For example, I will try to create this. You can share it. As you can see in here, there is a Facebook icon. So when we post it to our WhatsApp, so it will automatically share to our Facebook story. Let's see on the Facebook story. It's cool, right? So now, so here's the your WhatsApp status will be automatically shared to your Facebook story. So that is how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.